Why don't seniors use the internet to find the best golf shaft? Because they can't seem to get a good enough swing of it. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on best golf shaft for seniors. Tip 1. Consider the shaft's flex. Seniors generally have slower swing speeds, so the shaft flex should be one that promotes maximum distance and accuracy. Lower flex shafts, such as regular, senior, or even ladies flex, might be ideal depending on the speed of the swing. Tip 2. Pay attention to shaft weight. As golfers age, they may not have the same strength for swinging heavy shafts. A lighter shaft can help maintain club head speed and thus the ball's distance. Tip 3. Consider the torque of the shaft. Torque is the twisting movement of the shaft, measured in degrees. Higher torques can lead to greater club head twists at impact, influencing direction and flight. Seniors may find a shaft with medium or higher torque beneficial. Tip 4. Look at shaft length. A shorter shaft can be easier to control for older golfers who might struggle with longer ones. However, this can reduce the distance, so be sure to strike a balance between control and power. Tip 5. Decide between graphite and steel shafts. Graphite shafts are lighter and can increase swing speed but might lack in accuracy. Steel shafts are heavier but offer better control and consistency. For seniors, graphite is often the preferred choice. Tip 6. Consider the kick point of the shaft. A shaft's kick point or bend point impacts the trajectory of the ball. Lower kick points increase height and can improve distance, potentially benefiting seniors with slower swing speeds. Tip 7. Consider the brand of the shaft. Some brands are known for their high-performing and quality shafts. Reviews and recommendations can help guide this decision, but personal preference plays a significant role. Tip 8. Decide on the budget. You can get golf shafts in a range of prices, from economic to high-end. Many budget-friendly options provide great performance for seniors. Tip 9. Seek professional assistance. A professional fitter can analyze your swing and other factors to help choose the right shaft. The expense might be a worthy investment for improved performance. Tip 10. Test different shafts. What feels great to one person might not work for another. Testing various shafts on the range or in a simulated environment can provide valuable insights into what works best. Tip 11. Remember personal comfort. The ultimate aim should be to feel comfortable with the equipment. Considering all other factors, the golfer should feel confident in handling and swinging the chosen shaft.